Hi artists, Miss Olson here. The purpose of this video is to show you where to get your virtual sketchbook, how to get it open, and how to insert images for your very first WOW project. I'm in Google Classroom. I'm going to 3rd through 6th grade art. I'm going to click on the very first post, usually Virtual Sketchbook. When you click on it, it's going to open your virtual sketchbook, but I have mine open already. It has my name right here. Remember, you can edit your name, you can insert an image. It's kind of fun to play with the cover. Let's move on. Page 2, don't forget to document your center. This is where you're going to drag a circle of the center that you worked at for that day. So make sure that you're clicking and dragging a whatever color center it is to the day that you worked on. That's very important to document your center. You should see a variety of color here. Next, you're going to move your star to the correct pie piece of the artistic process. Are you still planning your art? Have you picked your resources to create your art, or are you creating your art, right? You can also turn in your art when you're ready and then reflect on your art. So I'm going to leave mine right there. Okay, let's get right to it. We've already explored and worked with Art Spark. So we're going to go right down to slide number 5, planning our art. We've already done this as well. What do you want to create? We've inserted a picture of our plan. Our plan is a quick sketch. We then made it better by adding more details. We redrew it and inserted the image again. Now we're ready to start picking our resources. So we're going to scroll down to slide number 9, and it looks like this. Now I've added some resources here. It says what resources and materials do you want to use to create your art. This is your chance to tell me and show all of the things that you're going to need to make your first WOW project. You'll see here I've inserted pictures of resources that I need, like videos. I've inserted a worksheet here that I'm going to use to make my art. I'm going to need a dice to work with that, so I'm going to use that here. I'm going to use markers or crayons. I haven't quite decided yet how I'm going to create the color. I have a video that Miss Olson created. I'm going to insert that here too. Friends, if you just want to write down on a piece of paper your resources, take a picture of what you wrote and then insert that onto this box as well. You can also type it in by going up here to the type box, click and drag, and then type in what you need. I just wrote that in there, but you get the idea. Okay, so once you've got all your resources ready, think about videos and books, anything you need to make your art. You're then going to go down and start to practice making your art. And once you've practiced a couple, 2-3 times, insert pictures of your practice right down here as well. This also wants to see that you've tried different ways to create this art for your very first WOW project. Let's take a look here. Yep, I practiced one way and then I practiced adding color. Remember, this isn't my final. This is just me practicing and envisioning what it's going to look like, right? Let's go back to a bigger view. All right, let's get down to it. Next slide is us creating our art plan. This right here will help you decide if you're going to make your art 3-dimensional, like a cube, or 2-dimensional. You're going to click and drag these X's to the box after you can check it off when you're done. Do you have something to look at? For me, that'd be my video. I'm going to go ahead and pull X's to all of my to-do lists on my Create Art plan. Now I'm going to figure that I've worked a day on my art project and I'm ready to insert what I feel is a finished piece of art right here. So how I'm going to do it is go over to my picture frame, down to camera. I'm going to take a picture of my art just like that, best I can. I want it to look pretty good, like that. I want to make sure I don't have too much shadows. Make it look pretty good. And then click it. Great. Make sure you're on the right picture. And then insert. Okay, I'm going to pull it into space. I'm going to crop out by double clicking and pull this over because I don't want to see my background. I don't want to see my arms or my face. I just want to see my art. All right, I'm going to pull this really big just like that. And then you are ready to submit your art for today. Now, you're not quite done yet, and I'll tell you why next art class. But for now, you are going to go back to Google Classroom. You can either present your art and then click right here to go to Google Classroom, or you probably have the tab open right up here. Go back, and then you're going to submit your art. In this box, it's going to say